Hello, boys and girls. This lesson is about model drawing strategies for Primary 3 mathematics. So, why model drawing? It helps to illustrate the difference between two or more parties. It is an effective problem-solving skills. It makes calculation easier. Simplified by using one box equal to one unit drawing. So let's start with examples. Question 1. Jane spent $6 of her pocket money. She still left 3/4. How much pocket money did Jane have at first? So we will draw 4 units to indicate her pocket money. So this is Jane's pocket money. So she spent 1/4 of her pocket money, which is 1 unit is $6. After drawing the model, we know that 1 unit equal to $6. Therefore, to calculate how much Jane have at first will be 4 units equal to how much? Let's write down. So 1 unit equal to $6. 4 units will be $6 times 4 equal to $24. So the answer is Jane have $24 at first. Is that very simple? And visualizing helps to actually drawing the model help you visualize better, and you can calculate much more easier. So we can go to next question. Alice and Belinda have 192 stamps altogether. Belinda has 3 times as many stamps as Alice. How many stamps does Alice have? Alice, so for Alice, we draw 1 unit first. And Belinda have 3 times as many stamps as Alice. So we will draw 3 units to indicate for Belinda. And we know that total of their stamps altogether is 192 stamps. So from drawing the model, we know that 4 units equal to 192. To calculate how many stamps does Alice have, we'll be calculating 1 unit. So let's write down. 4 units equal to 192. 1 unit equal to 192 divided by 4. So each unit is actually 48. So it solves the question. Alice has 48 stamps and have 48 stamps. So let's go to next example. Derek baked 72 cookies. He put them equally onto 8 trays. After giving away some trays of cookies, he had 45 cookies left. How many trays of cookies had he left? So the same thing, we will draw the model. We will draw 8 boxes as to represent 8 trays. So total of the 8 trays is 72 cookies. After drawing the model, we know that 8 trays is 72 cookies. So to calculate 45 cookies is how many trays? We have to find out 1 unit equal to how much first. So 8 units is 72. 1 unit is 72 divided by 8 equal to 9. So 1 tray is 9 cookies. We will take 45 cookies divided by 9 equal to 5. So the answer is he left 5 trays of cookies. Let's go on to next example. So Nicole bought 9 boxes of cupcakes. Each box contained 28 cupcakes. She repacked the cupcakes equally into 4 large containers. How many cupcakes were there in each large containers? So here we will draw 9 boxes to indicate the cupcakes that she have bought. And each box is actually 28 cupcakes. So she have repacked everything to 4 large boxes. We will draw 4 large boxes. And how many cupcakes were there in each large containers? So after drawing the model, we know that 1 unit, which is 1 box, is 28 cupcakes. To calculate how many cupcakes in the large container, we need to know the total of number cupcakes first. So 1 unit is 28. 9 units equal to 28 times 9 equal to 252, which is the total number of cupcakes altogether. So we divided by 4 large containers, which is 252 divided by 4. The answer is 63. So there are 63 cupcakes in each large containers. Okay, so if everything is clear, let's go to next example. Lynn had some bits at first. Janice had 464 fewer bits than Lynn. How many bits must Lynn give to Janice so that both of them would have the same number of bits in the end? So we will draw the diagram for Lynn first. Because we're not sure how many bits there are, we will draw 1 unit in a full length and another in the dotted length to indicate the 464 fewer bits for Janice. And Janice, we will draw out the diagram for Janice to confirm that the amount of bits she has. So Lynn here has 464 bits. And then we need to know that how many bits must Lynn give to Janice. So we will divide it by 2. First, from 1 unit, we will divide it by 2 equally and bring down to Janice. So after drawing the model, we know that 2 units is 464 bits. To calculate how many bits Lynn have to give to Janice so that both of them have the same number of bits, we need to find out 1 unit is how much. So same thing, we will write down 2 units equal to 464 and 1 unit will be 664 divided by 2. So the answer is 232. So Lynn will need to give 232 bits to Janice so that both of them will have the same number of bits in the end. So this is the diagram on how we can illustrate out this kind of we're not sure how much is the numbers to actually calculate together. So it made it very simple that actually 2 units is equal to 464. So if everything is okay, we will move on to next question. A baker baked 100 buns each day. On Monday, he sold 90 buns. On Tuesday, sold 60 buns. Wednesday, sold 40 buns. Thursday, sold 50 buns. And Friday, sold 35 buns. Draw a model to show the number of buns sold each day. So, okay, first thing is we need to draw the model to show the number of buns sold each day. We will start with the model by creating the number of buns. We will use 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 200 as an indicator so that we can draw out all the illustration on 35, 50, 40, 60, 90 buns sold each day. So there is a timeline on Monday, the baker has sold 90 buns, so we will draw accordingly. And on Tuesday, the baker has sold 60 buns. We will draw accordingly to the flame that we actually have drawn out. And on Wednesday, the baker has sold 40 buns. And on Thursday, the baker has sold 50 buns. Friday, the baker sold 35 buns. So this is how we can draw the model to illustrate the number of buns that the baker sold. Let's go to the next slide to answer the question. So question A, how many buns were left unsold on Friday? We will take a look at Friday. Friday, the baker sold 35 buns. So we will take 100 buns a day minus 35 buns sold. 65 buns were left unsold on Friday. So next question. Each bun was sold for $2. How much did the baker receive from the sale of buns on Tuesday? So very simple as well. We can directly answer the question. On Tuesday, 60 buns were sold. So we will take 60 times $2, and the sale of the buns on Tuesday is $120. So you will see the benefit of the model. It illustrates better on how we can get the answer from the question. All right, the end, and I hope you guys have enjoyed yourself. Thank you.